I can't with Bonginko's life. I cannot follow. 1 minute he loves Maruna, the next he is into Owetu. Hi, hello, welcome to Genesis Recap. Now, in today's recap, we are looking into Genesis and Sana. When I tell you that I'm confused, I am confused. Maybe you all can help me out. Bonko's love life storyline, it's so confusing. Like, I cannot with the storyline right now, okay? I am so done and through with it. Can he just make a choice and can he just get married once and let's wrap this whole thing, okay? 1 minute he is very much into Maruna. He's willing to fight for Maruna to Felicia and stand up for Maruna. The next, he thinks Maruna is a snake. Maruna is the one who has leaked the album. Maruna has done nothing but bad to the Tabetes. And he wants to be with Oluitu. Oluitu is the sweet girl. Oluitu is the always has always been the sweetest girl that he wants to be with, that he wants to be next to. You know what I mean? And I'm like, Bongo, see, we cannot be watching the same thing. We just cannot. We cannot. Because I know right now that he is fighting with Maruna. But give it 2 weeks. Give it 2 weeks, mugs. They will be back in each other's arms. Like, Bonko, respect us. Respect us, okay? So it appears that Oluitu did find out about Maruna and Bonko. But of course, Bonko denies everything. Felicia is against Bonko denying because she knows that one thing about lies, they are short-lived and they have a way of coming out, you know. And he tries, or rather she tries, to warn Bongo that lies is one thing that you do not want to associate yourself with, because they shall reveal themselves, and they shall reveal themselves sooner than later. And Bonginkosi right here feels like he has just able to manage and save his relationship just for the short being. Honestly, I am so through Bongo's love life and this whole storyline of his love life. Now let's get to Buntley. Oh, Sana, sweet, innocent Buntley. I know how it's like to be in your young 20s and to feel like you're old enough, you can take decisions for yourself, and only to find out that you are not old enough and you cannot take decisions for yourself. So I am cross between two worlds when it comes to Bontley. I am, you know. Another one, I'm like, let's give her a chance. Let's Buntley prove herself that she is an adult and she can take responsibilities for her life, you know. But the other side of me, I'm like, Buntley is a child. Buntley is a child and she needs to be protected, because 1 minute, especially when you're in your early 20s, like, it's so confusing. Trust me, okay? You will think that you're old enough and you will think that you know what you're doing, and you will also think that you know the other person. Like, you can never know anyone. Like, never ever trust and bet that you know the other person. You do not. So yeah, I don't know, when Felicia is being too hard on Buntley, for me, honestly, I feel like it's necessary. I feel like it's necessary because I feel like Buntley is still young, bro. I feel like Buntley still needs to be protected. You know, guys, Mujolo have a way of making you to make one of the most stupid and naivest decisions ever in your whole life. Like, Mujolo has a way of doing that. So sometimes, you know, as a parent, because you know and you have learned through yourself, you're just gonna be overly protective, knowing that Mujolo can legit embarrass you, can legit make the fullest out of you. You know, you can become the most foolish person to ever live through Mujolo. So yeah, guys, what do you all think? Because I've been seeing people on Twitter saying, no, Buntley is an adult now, she's old enough, she needs to be let to live her own life. And I'm like, I'm crossed. Honestly, I'm crossed between two worlds. I don't know which is which when it comes to this whole situation of Bonko. But because she was previously